It's Sunday morning. I'm going to the Rose Bowl flea market. It opens at 9, so I want to get going. I'm gonna get dressed. It's like cloudy, it's overcast, it's kind of sad, but I just have a lot of like errands to do today. It's Sunday, I actually don't work tomorrow, but I want to try and get everything done today. I'm on a mission to find a new dresser. The one I have is quite literally falling apart. I've had it since I was a child, but the drawers just like are falling apart. The drawer where all my jeans are like doesn't close. I have to like yank it open and kick it closed. It's really bad. Okay, I need to stop at the bank and get some cash. I've been on the hunt for a vintage Dodgers jersey because the new ones are like, they're just not made well, but I found a vintage one and it has no number and name, which I actually like, but it's like old school. It's made really well, but yeah, cute. Josh has been looking for a trucker hat that he likes. The brand is Avenue 88. This guy was so nice. But I got these two hats. This one's for me, and then this one's for Josh, but he'll probably steal this one. And then I got posters. I've been looking for some good art to put on my wall. But yeah, this one is like an old like lemon crate. This one, so cute. I love the parrot. It's so pretty. And it says grown in Pomona, which is where I went to school. This one, I just liked how this one looked. I like the colors. I like the orange and the blue. And then this one's a little bit bigger, but like airline poster. So that's cool. But yeah, I'm gonna put them all, I think I might make like a little like gallery wall, put them all together. So, all of this. I have to go through all this. I don't even know what half this stuff is. That's all my nail stuff. This is the bag I've been dreading. This is full of junk from my old car. I really don't want to go through this bag. It's just like a bunch of crap. I just need a vacuum now, but I cleared this area. 2 boxes of stuff to donate. I need to get a car wash, but I think I'm gonna vacuum my car here first. Apparently everyone else needs a car wash right now. There's probably 6 cars, 7 cars in front of me. Looks like I'm gonna be here for a while. Made it to Home Depot. I gotta return stuff and then find, it's either a 10-foot hose or an 8-foot hose, like a garden hose. Got the hose from Home Depot. Now, the only other place I need to go is Target, but of course it's not the Target that I'm next to, it's the other Target, because that's where my prescription is at. So, I have to go the opposite way, but that's okay. There is this store. It's like a Habitat for Humanity store, but they sell furniture and like building supplies. They have just like a lot of like stuff, like home stuff, but it's all really good price. Bumps. But I have to drive past there anyways, so I think I'm gonna run in and see if they have a dresser possibly. But yeah, I'm gonna just look in there real quick and see. I don't know what they have. I don't know if they have a lot of dressers right now. It's kind of like different all the time. But it doesn't hurt to look, right? Especially if I'm driving past anyways. The store was closed because it's Sunday. So now we're going to Target. I literally am just running in to get a prescription and that's it. Nothing else. Nothing else. I can't be like spending money in Target right now. Target's dangerous. Okay, so I didn't get anything else at Target. I only got what I needed, but I'm determined to get a dresser today. My dresser is literally falling apart. So I'm just gonna get one from IKEA. I'm gonna order it and then I think it says I can pick it up at like 7 o'clock today. So we're gonna do that. But it's like almost 5. I need to eat. I'm gonna go home and eat something and then clean up a little bit and then go pick up this dresser. And I'm impatient, so I will be putting it together tonight. Back in the car. I got home and I honestly just sat there for a while. My IKEA order is ready. So we're going to IKEA. I've eaten dinner. I picked up the dresser from IKEA. I'm kind of like clearing things off of my old dresser. I might put the other one together. I just gotta figure out where this one's gonna go. Okay, there's